Hi, Fhanessa here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to add fringe to your scarf. This is a recent pattern that I released. If you're interested, it is available on the blog and in my YouTube channel. I used a book headline around and wrapped it around to use as a template. You can also cut out a piece of cardboard for the size you want. For this specific pattern, I used 27 strands and I held 3 together for each of the fringe. I'm starting in the corner and I'm going to insert my hook from the bottom up and then place your fringe on your hook, pull it through, and then you want to yarn over and then pull everything through the loop on your hook. I've already added the fringe on this end here, and depending on how you want it to look, you will insert your hook differently. So you see here you have this wrap in the front on the right side of the scarf, and if you wanted that to show on the wrong side, then you would insert from the top down instead of bottom up. I'm ready for the next set. Fold it in half, and I'm going to skip 2 stitches. Okay, so it's every 3rd stitch. So skip 1, 2, and then into the 3rd I'm going to insert from the bottom up again. Place your fringe on the hook, and then you want to pull through and then yarn over and pull it through all the loops on your hook. Okay, that's the second one, and then I'm going to repeat the 3rd set here. Same thing, skip 2 into the next, and then pull it through, yarn over, and pull it through the loops on your hook. When I initially cut my strips, I wanted them to have the same ombre effect. So this 3rd one, I added more of the little light blue into it. And then within each set, I add a little bit more of the blue color. And then when I get to the other end, it should be all blue. Alright, I'm at the end. It's a little tight here, but I'm going to insert my hook into the corner, grab my fringe, yarn over, and pull through. Okay, so now I've completed inserting all of these. I'm going to trim, and I'm lazy, so I'm going to fold this in half and again, and I'm going to trim the ends. I'll worry about perfecting this off camera. I'll need to trim this side as well. Alright, so now I have all of my fringe in place. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you next time.